Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 29th, 2024, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.95%. This results in an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper section of a broad and weekly rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $174.65 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 7.90% and positive 5.64%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a 25.37% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 13.39% and 49.70%. This corresponds to a price range of $194.23 to $256.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Google Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Google stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.1% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, rising from $171.11 to $171.29. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.04%, with a low of $168.88 and a high of $172.32. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.82% over the past 2 weeks. However, it's important to note that trading volume fell by 13 million shares on the last day, with a total of 30 million shares changing hands for approximately $5.17 billion. Falling volume while prices rise may signal divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $191.75, while the lowest was $127.86. Currently, the price stands 10.67%, or $20.46 below the 52-week high, and 93.01%, or $2,277.63, below the all-time high recorded on June 14th, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, continues to navigate a complex landscape as it reported strong earnings for the third quarter, highlighting notable growth in artificial intelligence and other sectors. Despite this robust performance, the stock price fell following the earnings report, as investors processed mixed signals about future profitability and cost management. Analysts suggest that the recent drop may be a short-term reaction, with many still viewing Alphabet as a strong buy due to its growth prospects paired with a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio. In the cloud computing arena, Alphabet competes fiercely with Microsoft and Amazon, both of which are heavily investing in artificial intelligence and attracting business clients. This ongoing competition could bolster future revenue growth and enhance Alphabet's market position. However, regulatory challenges persist, as demonstrated by Indonesia's recent ban on Google smartphones due to compliance issues. Concerns about capital expenditures were also raised by analysts, highlighting a need for clarity on how such investments will translate into revenue. While there is a strong foundation supporting Alphabet's future growth, the stock may experience volatility in the short term, influenced by investor sentiment around cost management and regulatory pressures. Overall, while immediate pressures could affect stock performance, Alphabet's long-term outlook remains positive, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and cloud services. As investor confidence continues to rebuild, Alphabet appears poised for potential gains in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market outperform rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Seaport Global rated Google as a buy and recommended an upgrade. Also on that Wednesday, Needham issued a buy rating for Google with a hold action. Furthermore, BMO Capital provided Google with an outperform rating while recommending a hold. Lastly, Jefferies also rated Google as a buy and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. The Google stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected around $168.75 and $164.47. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as a MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.82%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $171.11. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.44, which is an increase of 2.04% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 4th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at $2.11. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $174.46. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $171.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of October, 2000 made an insider purchase of 1,367 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Ami Thuiner O'Toole executed an insider sale of 1,367 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Amy Thuiner O'Toole also sold 1,394 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 16th of October, 2024, Sundar Pichai conducted an insider sale of 10,104 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Sundar Pichai sold 12,396 shares of Class C capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.548. In total, insiders purchased 934,806 shares and sold 1,160,971 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $164.65, reflecting a decline of 3.87%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which indicates a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Google stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our assessment for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from hold accumulate to buy. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of November, we anticipate that Google will open lower by approximately 461/10,000ths and begin trading at $170.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.